Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the gold market right now. Well, returning back to our discussion of the gold market and our weekly research. In fact, guys, we got the surprise that we have discussed, and that's really not surprising us because gold market is really a very cunning market. And recall what we have said on the crossing of the oversold with the MACD predictor line right here. And we said that this combination is could be the dead cross for the possible downward action, because if we wouldn't get the oversold, in this case, market maybe could just drop down on the Swiss voting news and continue move lower and so on. But as we have oversold, that could prevent market from the further downward continuation and could stop market and push it higher, and that significantly increased the chances of appearing the bullish grabber here, and that's really has happened. So you can see it looks a bit different compared to what we have discussed, but the core, the idea is the same. So market really has formed the grabber, hit the oversold, and that has pushed it to the upside. But market simultaneously at the same day has hit the minimum target of the grabber and taken out of the stop. At the same time, although this action really could look tremendous and it's really even scaring maybe, but in fact nothing drastic has happened. What we have in fact right now, so market, yes, it has reached the 1210 resistance, it has reached the monthly pivot resistance one, but this area hasn't been broken yet, and market still calling around the same 12 even 1210 resistance, returning right back down right now slowly, right in the area of the previous lows, 1180s. It has not erased the pattern that we have on the weekly chart, the 3-drive potential pattern still valid. It's too late for this rally because it has happened on December, while we have expected to get it in November to get the bullish grabber on the monthly, and we didn't get it. So that's why this rally carries nothing in fact right now, and that's why it hasn't shed any light on further perspective. You could ask why you think that the 1210 area is still valid and hasn't been broken because market has shown the action above it. I will show you that situation closely discussed in the Judd Napoli book, and the idea of this discussion stands with the existence of some extension target, ABCD extension target slightly above the fib level, and Napoli says that market could penetrate the fib level just to complete the target of the ABCD. If it will return right back down after that, it will mean that resistance is still valid. So now take a look at the forward time frame chart. From the technical point of view, we easily will explain this spike up, so you can see. But initially, I would like to recall you that we have discussed a lot of different patterns. When the market starts to move up, we said we have this head and shoulders pattern and ABCD pattern based on this classical figure. We also discussed this potential butterfly, if you remember, that has approximately the same target around 1210, around 1210 area, and we said that market maybe could move slightly higher just to complete this A, B, C bottom 1618 extension, and you can see what will happen, what has happened. So market has completed this target almost pips to pips. Market has hit 1618 extension of the ABCD target of this based on this head and shoulders pattern and turned down again. In fact, market has stuck in the same resistance area. So you can see this natural support resistance breakout to the downside resistance again, bounce down, upside rally, reaching of this just swamp area and turn down again. It's completing of the 1618. From the technical point of view, you can see the classical example of the penetration of fib level due to the existence of some ABCD target slightly above this level. That is what Judd Napoli described in the advanced part of in his book, when he talked about how to treat the breakout of the fib levels, well, when to think that the level has been broken, or when it's still valid. So that's the classical example of this discussion, when some extension target stands slightly higher, slightly above the fib resistance, and market just shows this fast penetration to complete this target and return right back down. So that's why it absolutely nothing has cleared yet on the gold market. Although the picture looks really drastic and doom and gloom, fasting action, furious upside rally, but in reality, beyond the volatility, we do not see any resolving of the riddle. What to expect, whether the market will continue to move higher or it will fail and continue to move lower. That's why our conclusion on the gold market is that on the first glance it looks impressive, but in reality we do not have any clue to say what really is going on, where the market will continue to move higher or fail here. Right now, the 1210 resistance is still valid and market is still calling around it. But to speak that market is ready to continue to move higher and something is changing really on the market, we need to see the stable growth and holding of the gold prices above this resistance area. That stands with the fib level, monthly pivot resistance 1, above this area, and breaking of these harmonic swings that we have right now. But right now market hasn't done it yet. That's why we probably will have to wait a bit more on the gold market. Tactically, guys, on the intraday charts, I don't see really nothing special that could be traded today. Maybe non-farm payrolls will shed some light on the perspective of the situation on the gold market. But chances, we can't right now talk on that downward action will not happen and market has reversed to the upside already. Absolutely not. It's nothing clear yet on the gold market.